Episode 50, Project, Building an Automated Personal Productivity System with AI. Hey there, welcome back. You're probably cruising along right now, maybe soaking in that morning glow, and I'm thrilled to be riding along with you. We've hit episode 50, a huge milestone, and today's a special project, building an automated personal productivity system with AI. This is about tying all those loose ends, tasks, emails, files, into one smooth machine. I've gone from total chaos to a calm hum with this, and I've got plenty of stories to share. No screen needed, just let your mind buzz with me as we roll. Productivity is like that golden prize we're all chasing, isn't it? Getting things done without feeling like you're drowning. I used to be a walking tornado, late replies, missed calls, desk buried under papers, and coffee cups. It was exhausting. Then I started weaving AI automation into my life, and it's like I've got this super efficient twin handling the grunt work. This isn't just about ticking off to-do lists. It's about your day flowing so easily you can crank up that commute playlist and actually enjoy it. My journey with this started in a panic. I was juggling work, forgetting groceries, and dropping the ball on everything. One morning, I grabbed my phone and told Google Assistant, "Remind me about the team call at 9. Sure enough, it buzzed me right on time, and I hopped on the call like a pro. As I drive home, just like you might be doing later, I'd think about my day, emails, shopping, chilling, and I'd tell it, list my tasks. By the time I parked, I had email boss, grab milk, relax, waiting for me. That little spark got me wondering how far I could take it. That's when I brought in Zapier, and things got really fun. I set it up, so when my boss emails me something like review this, it pops onto my task list automatically. I'd be cruising along, just like you are now, imagining my inbox sorting itself. And by the time I checked, it was all lined up. I got a little carried away once and told it to turn every email into a task. Suddenly, I had reply to spam clogging my list. I laughed and dialed it back to just work stuff. And it's been a dream ever since. Social media was my next frontier, and Buffer came into play. I'd always mean to post about my day, but I'd forget until midnight. So I tossed a few ideas into Buffer, like puppy zoom eyes at 6 p.m., and it scheduled them for me. I'd be rolling down the road, picturing my dog's antics hitting the feed, and sure enough, it posted right on time. ChatGPT helped me brainstorm. I asked it, give me 5 post ideas, and it threw out rainy day vibes and coffee wins. I fed those to Buffer, and my week was set without me touching a thing. Files were a big piece too, and Google Drive stepped up. I'd email myself docs all the time, then lose them in the mess. With Zapier, I made it so every attachment, like Q3report.pdf, lands in a work folder. I drive home thinking about keeping my gig stuff tidy, and by the time I checked, it was all sorted. Dropbox pitched in for photos. I dumped a pile of trip snaps, and its AI tagged them into 2025 folders. I did mess up once, overdoing it with tags until dog was on my tax files, but I fixed it quick with simple work and fun buckets. One time, I saw the whole system shine. Mornings used to be a scramble, oversleeping, missing calls, chaos. Now Google Assistant buzzes me at 6:30 with wake up and list my day, email, meet, chill. Zapier grabs team emails and slots them into my calendar. So 9 a.m. huddle is locked in. Buffer posts a morning boost, crush it, and keeps my feed alive. I'd cruise along, just like you, picturing a smooth start, and it all clicked, planned at once, and it runs like a well-oiled machine. Bills got the treatment too. I told Google Assistant, buzz me on the first for bills. And it's there every month, pay up. Then Drive takes my emailed receipts and files them into expenses. I'd be rolling down the road, thinking about staying on budget, and those little moves keep me golden. I flopped once, trying to automate every tiny thing, pings, posts, files everywhere, and it was like a circus. I pulled back to the big wins, tasks, social files, and it's been perfect. Why does this feel so amazing? It's all about control. I used to flail through my day, now I glide. As you're driving, think about what drags you down. Is it forgetting calls? Losing files? That's where AI can jump in. You could start with Google Assistant pinging you to move at 8 a.m., feeling that little boost. Or let Zapier tuck your work emails into tasks, so boss is always handled. Buffer can keep your social game strong with a weekly life post. Picture your month running like a dream by Friday, all from a few clever tweaks. Here's something to roll around in your head. Build it around your hubs. I used to throw everything at it, total noise. Now I anchor it on time, like morning at 9, afternoon at 3, and let the tools flow from there. As you're cruising, imagine a day where a ping kicks it off, a post shares your vibe, and a file lands right where it belongs. Start small, play with it, and watch it grow into your rhythm. There's a tiny catch, of course. AI isn't foolproof. Google Assistant once set call 10 instead of call Jen, and I chuckled fixing it. Zapier's free tier caps out after a bit, and I hit that during a wild week. But keeping it lean, like one tool for the big stuff, works like magic. Why is this hitting home right now? You've got a million things spinning, works waiting, but this can lift the weight. Dream about a life that runs itself, plan it tonight, and watch it soar. Next block, we're on to new adventures. For now, what's your productivity snag? Build it with AI.